So in this video, I will guide you how you can add image swatches on Shopify product page, which is going to be in the Dawn theme. So first of all, what you need to do is to simply click on the three dots and make sure to duplicate your current theme. So once you are done duplicating, you just need to now click on the three dots and click on the edit code. Now what you need to do is to simply click the links in the description below and make sure to open all of the color option, product variant and settings schema.json files. And now first of all, what you need to do is to simply search for product variant picker.liquid. Simply search for it in the files and this will going to be in the snippet. So simply click on it and then you just need to remove this code and go back and press Ctrl A and simply copy and paste my code just like so, and then click on the save on the top right corner. Now once you are done, next step is you need to search for settings schema.json. Simply search for it where you search for the product variant and this is going to be in the config. So simply click on this again, remove this and press Ctrl A and copy the code and paste it and click on the save button. Now once you are done, the last thing that you need to do is to simply click on the snippet and click on add new snippet. Now I need to name it color option. Simply copy the name color option and paste it like here and click on done button. Now next step is pretty easy. You just need to copy this code and paste it just like this and click on the save on the top right corner. Now if I click on the three dots and click on customize theme, and let's go for our product. So simply click on it and right now what you need to do is to simply click on the settings or theme settings and you should see the option of color swatches by digital guidance, and this is where you just need to switch between this variant image. Once you click there, you will notice a difference on your right side. You can change it according to your will. So let's change it like square or in circle, whatever you prefer, and click on save and you're good to go. Whenever I click one of these, this will gonna bring up just like so. So that's the way of how you can add image swatches in Shopify Dawn theme product page.